So what you can also do inside of diagrams.net is you can create custom libraries. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu, and over here you can see that new library is an option right here, and you can go around, save it in a particular device or in your Google Drive or one of your cloud drives right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Google Drive right here, and I'm going to go around over here and select out a file name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say diagrams library 222 right here, just like this. And you can see that there's a library. So what I can do now is I can go around and add in images right here, and you can see it says drag images or URL right here. So what I can do is I can go around over here, bring in, let's say this Explorer right here, and drag in the images that I want right here, just like this. So I can go around and drag in the images right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around, bring in this image over here as well. And let me just resize this right here. So this is what you have. Let me just go around, drag this in, resize this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and save, it says choose a folder right here. So I'm just going to save this to the root folder itself. That is, it'll be saved onto the root folder of my Google Drive. And you can see that there's this custom library right here. So this is there for instant access. And then you can always go around and access them right here. So this is like a Scratchpad, which is custom right here, as you can see, but you have always access to this, and you can go around and edit it as well. So you can go around, edit this, and let's say you want to remove out a particular file, you can save this out as well, and the library will be updated just like this. And that is how you can go around and then utilize that is the libraries. That is how you can create custom libraries and utilize them in diagrams.net. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.